If you're looking to level up your driving experience, upgrading your car with some cool accessories can make all the difference. Whether it's adding convenience, boosting comfort, or just making your ride more fun, the right gadgets can transform your car. We've put together a list of the coolest car accessories that you might not have known you needed. From high-tech upgrades to practical tools, these items are sure to take your driving to the next level. Let's dive in. When navigating tough terrains, protecting your vehicle's underbody is essential. ARB Smart Bar's under-vehicle armor provides enhanced protection against rocks, stumps, and ruts, safeguarding vital drivetrain components. This lightweight, easy-to-install solution replaces the factory skid pan, offering superior durability and corrosion resistance. Manufactured in South Australia, the UVA is compatible with OE bumpers, smart bars, and ARB bull bars. Its design minimizes repair costs and provides fuel efficiency benefits while complementing your vehicle's aesthetics. The UVA's reinforced structure ensures continuous strength, making it an essential upgrade for off-road enthusiasts who demand the best protection for their 4WD. The Smart Chassis sensor from ZF Group revolutionizes vehicle comfort and safety. Integrated into the ball joint, this sensor provides real-time road condition data and supports multiple chassis control applications like dynamic light leveling, air suspensions, and semi-active damping. By delivering critical signals for chassis adjustments, it enhances driving performance and stability, ensuring a smoother ride. Its modular design allows for compatibility with various control arm configurations. This advanced sensor system contributes to a more comfortable and secure driving experience, elevating vehicle handling on all road surfaces and improving safety across diverse conditions. This MULTIPRO tailgate is a multifunctional innovation designed to enhance the functionality of your truck. It features a primary gate and a smaller inner gate, which can be adjusted in various combinations to serve multiple purposes, including a bed extender and a step. The tailgate offers easy access, a full-width step rated for 375 pounds, and a load stop for longer items. It also includes a work surface and can be paired with an available 120-volt outlet for added convenience. For the listening experience, it includes an optional kicker audio system, letting you enjoy outdoor audio while working or relaxing. Secure your vehicle with the ARTAGO 862 AQAIR anti-theft device, a highly effective brake and gear shift lock. This compact, adjustable device blocks both the handbrake and gear shift, offering high security protection with an anti-drill ball and a unique, space-efficient design. The lock is easy to adjust with a universal screw that fits various car models. Its bright yellow color acts as a visible deterrent to thieves. Designed and manufactured in Europe, this high-quality anti-theft device offers a reliable and convenient solution for securing your car, van, or truck with ease and portability. The WEATHERTECH BUMPSTEP XL is a durable vehicle accessory designed to protect your car's rear bumper. This step fits a standard 2-inch receiver hitch and is constructed with robust materials for long-lasting use. It measures 24 inches in width and 4 5/8 inches in length, offering a wide platform for easy access to your vehicle's roof or cargo area. With a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds, it ensures reliable support. Made in the USA, it comes with standard plated hardware for easy installation. The WEATHERTECH BUMPSTEP XL combines functionality and strength, offering protection and convenience in one. This wireless charging phone holder combines a phone holder with wireless charging capabilities, making it a convenient hands-free solution for your vehicle. It features a 15-watt wireless fast charging option and is compatible with all smartphones ranging from 4.7 inches to 6.8 inches, including iPhone, Samsung, and Google devices. The high-sensing technology allows charging through thick phone cases, and its auto-sensor function opens the clamp arms with just a touch. With infrared sensing, it ensures automatic phone clamping when the device is plugged in. Designed for easy use, this phone holder is perfect for navigation, calls, and charging on the go. The IQAIR ATEM car is a smart air purifier that enhances the air quality inside your vehicle. Using advanced ozone-free HEPA plus filtration technology, it effectively removes allergens, gases, odors, pollen, and road pollution, ensuring a cleaner and healthier environment. The device filters 99% of particles down to 0.003 microns, including bacteria and viruses such as SARS-CoV-2. With smart functions, you can control the fan speed, monitor filter life, and operate the device remotely using the ATEM mobile app. This portable purifier is ideal for drivers and passengers looking for a fresh atmosphere during their commute. The LITESTIX LS36MDX is a versatile LED portable work light, perfect for heavy-duty projects. It features 36 ultra-bright LED bulbs, providing brilliant illumination in low-light conditions. With a 2600 mAh lithium-ion battery, the light lasts up to 6 hours of continuous use, making it ideal for long projects. The light's polycarbonate housing is impact-resistant, and the steel telescoping tube holder extends from 49.5 inches to 79.75 inches. Two swivel head mounts with built-in magnets offer flexible positioning, allowing you to direct light precisely where it's needed. This work light is perfect for any nighttime or dark environment project. The FIV-Clem NZ rooftop cargo carrier offers 20 cubic feet of storage space for vehicles with or without roof racks. It features a waterproof design made from durable 700D Oxford cloth with a genuine waterproof zipper and heat-welded seams. The carrier includes 10 reinforced adjustable straps, an anti-slip mat, and 6 door hooks for secure attachment. With dimensions of 51 by 40 by 17 inches, it fits various vehicles and holds 6 to 8 suitcases, tents, and more. This easy-to-install carrier is perfect for freeing up interior space, ensuring safe and dry transportation of your belongings, even in extreme weather conditions. The WEBOOST Drive Reach is a powerful vehicle cell phone signal booster designed to amplify connectivity on the go. It supports 5G and 4G LTE, providing superior signal strength for multiple devices across all major US carriers, including Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, and US Cellular. The booster features a magnetic roof antenna for easy installation and an impressive 50 decibels maximum gain. Whether on the road, in rural areas, or urban environments, this tool ensures consistent coverage and improves call quality and data speeds. It comes with expert US-based customer support and a 2-year warranty for peace of mind. The QBUC car air freshener combines solar energy with aromatherapy to create a pleasant driving experience. Featuring a zinc alloy body with a rotating solar fan blade, this diffuser helps distribute fragrance evenly throughout your vehicle. It includes a cologne aroma ring that lasts up to 1 month, keeping the air fresh and improving overall air quality. The diffuser is safe for pregnant women and babies, ensuring a non-toxic environment. With its innovative solar-powered design, the diffuser provides an eco-friendly solution to maintaining a pleasant atmosphere in your car, making it an ideal gift for family and friends. Last on our list is the CANOPY security system, which offers comprehensive protection for your pickup truck bed. Featuring an HD camera with a 180 degrees field of view and night vision, it streams live footage directly to your phone. The AI-powered intrusion detection system sends real-time notifications if movement is detected inside your truck bed. CANOPY ensures your security footage is stored in the cloud, offering valuable evidence in case of theft or damage. With a $9.99 monthly subscription, the system includes LTE data connectivity and automatic software updates, giving you continuous access to the latest features and updates, ensuring your vehicle stays protected. Goodbye, car enthusiasts! Which of these cool car accessories would you add to your ride? Share your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the latest in car tech and accessories. Stay tuned for more amazing finds to enhance your driving experience. We've got plenty more cool gear coming your way.